Hello again. Boredom strikes and I film myself doing random shit. Today, we are gonna be making, here, let me get a photo up here. I lost it. Wait 1 second. Ha, oh wait, no, that's not it. All right, making lemon blueberry muffins because, here, I'll set you down right here. I live in a neighborhood with lots of lemon trees. I was taking a walk and I encountered this little box. So I retrieved the largest freaking lemons I've ever seen in my entire life. Holy crap. Holy crap. For some reason, me and my dad have been making hella muffins. We're just gonna keep that trend going. Also, I might add that the muffins are supposed to be
bursting with flavor. These lemon blueberry muffins are moist, delicious, and easy to make. Topped with an optional lemon glaze, your family will request these blueberry lemon muffins
often. I just thought I'd include that. She seemed super enthusiastic. All right, let's get the ingredients. That's crazy. Flour, sugar, lemon. Got these goods. But we got frozen. Preheat oven to 400. In a bowl, combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. Bowl. How have you guys been? Today was a bad day for me, personally. It was a bad day for Sam. And I'm just trying to work through it, you know? By making muffins. My dad literally just made a crap ton of muffins. This is like half of them. I really need to get a real tripod. Okay, back in session. In a bowl, combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. 2 cups of flour. I'm just gonna scrape the bottom of this hoe real quick, which I don't think is gonna work very well. This is the half cup. I don't know what this one is. Half cup, boom. I didn't even know I was gonna be doing a whole ass unboxing of a new, woo! Damn, it's getting everywhere. Okay, this is making me really nervous. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. This is baking soda, haha. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, boom. 1.5 of baking powder. Salt. One teaspoon, not 1 tablespoon of salt. A half teaspoon. Boom. In a separate bowl, beat together butter, sugar until light and fluffy. Okay. Butter and sugar together. Okay, 1 cup of sugar. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. 1 cup of sugar. Perfectly softened butter, boys. Just ready to rock. Damn. Okay, beat together butter and sugar. Oh, it looks a little bit better now. Fingers crossed. Ooh, it's looking a lot better now. Haha. So we're just gonna go with what we have. Add eggs 1 at a time, scraping down the bowl after each egg, making sure they are combined well. Break down the sides. Okay, and boom. Here we go. Stirring slowly by hand. This recipe has some problems here. Hello?
Did you miss the first part?
No. This looks weird. Add half the buttermilk and all the lemon juice. This is the most complicated thing I've ever done. Okay, so what the hell? Okay. Here goes nothing. Literally the most complicated thing I've ever done. 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. I guess I can just cut it right down there. Damn, look at how big that boy is. You know, I have an idea. Wow, this lemon is so juicy. Wow, this might be the grossest thing I've ever. 1. That was a lot. So, stir until just combined. Milk tastes fine. Damn, this is hard. Then add the rest of this. Ooh, that doesn't look very mixed. I feel like I could have done a better job at this if I wasn't filming myself. This is what it looks like right now. We're gonna stir it until it's just combined. It's just gonna have to work. All right, remaining milk. Ooh, god damn. I done spilled it on my shirt. I'm literally covered in all of the ingredients of this. It smells on me. It's trying to look more like a batter here. The batter will be thick and maybe a little bit lumpy. Okay. And all the blueberries we have. Here we go. Damn, 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 damn. Scoop batter by quarter cups into a 12-count pan. Hopefully that was good enough. Quarter cup. And we'll get back to you when I fill these all up. Nice. Now we're gonna put them in for 20 minutes. I'm gonna make the lemon glaze too. All right, sugar and lemon juice. 1 cup-arino. Now for the lemon juice. Ooh, the muffins are looking fatty. Get the most out of this lemon here because I don't want to cut up another one. Okay, hopefully this is enough. I'll get all the seeds out. Fantastic. Muffin check. Oh my god, they look so good already. Yes. My dad elected himself to get them out. Oh, you be nice with them. Oh my god, they look so fluffy. I feel like that will be nice. They're not like hard like those muffins. I'm FaceTiming my grandma. I'll make my man to see if she will, so she can see my muffins. Literally look at them. God damn. She's not gonna answer. Wow. Now I'm going to let them cool for like 20 minutes and then I'm gonna put the glaze on them and then I'm gonna eat them. Wow, this glaze is looking just absolutely to die for. These are the sexiest thing I've ever cooked myself. Damn.
You should send